Hey, what's up guys, it's TJ here, and today we're actually going to talk about a couple things. We're going to talk about my website, and then I just released some LUTs and some presets. I think we should narrow it down. Maybe we'll just talk about presets today. Okay, we'll talk about presets and how to capture an image that will work well with presets. All right, so what are presets? Presets are basically a set of different numbers, and you use them in a program called Adobe Lightroom. If you don't know what that is, you've been living under a rock for a long time, and you need to come on out. Lightroom is one of the best tools or the best tool for photographers to get the images that they want. So if you see these cool looking like Instagram threads and grids and all that stuff, they're probably using Lightroom or some form of Lightroom to get their images to look like that. So in Lightroom, you can adjust your photographs. It's basically the best editor for photographs that there is. There's other editors out there, but like everybody's using Lightroom. So Lightroom has a whole bunch of different features, a whole bunch of different dials, a whole bunch of different adjustments that you can make to your photographs, and you may not be able to grasp them all right away, and that's where presets kind of come into play. Someone adjusted all those little dials and adjustments and made it perfect for a certain style or a certain look. You can take a good photograph, put it into Lightroom, and add a preset to it, and you got an instant banger. Now, if you're a beginner photography, you may want to have some presets to help you get used to a certain style or kind of understand like these adjustments and what they do and what they change and what they affect. Lightroom is just a tool to help you get or achieve that certain look that you're looking for. And when you're a beginner, you may not know what that is. Another thing about Lightroom is Lightroom works best when you take raw photographs. Now, if you're taking JPEG photographs right now, you may want to switch it over to raw immediately. Now, if you shoot in JPEG, you're basically stuck with what you have. Now, you can make some adjustments, but you're going to destroy the image as you do that. Now, raw photographs, you still have to be careful with them, but they can be adjusted. They have all the information there. They're a larger file, but they have all the information there that you need to make those adjustments. Now, one thing you may want to do when you first get Lightroom is to get some preset. And this is my subtle, not so subtle plug for my website and also my new presets that we just made. It's called the Neo package. Basically, it's a package of LUTs that is made for the beginner photographer. The link is in the description box below. Basically, my friend and I, we went around, we took some pictures. We actually got a friend of ours to go up to the mountains and kind of just take some pictures and get some looks that we were trying to achieve. And then we made presets for those looks, and we compiled them all together. He made half, I made the other half, and we made a large package for you guys. So go check it out. Link is in the description box. But to show you how presets work, I wanted to give you an example. So recently I was in Miami and I took this photograph that I really loved, but I wanted to change and adjust the colors to what I was feeling at the moment and the vibe that I was feeling from Miami. So I took this picture in the back of an Uber with the window rolled up, but I just saw this guy and I thought it was just a beautiful shot. So I took it in RAW and I pulled it into Lightroom and I made some adjustments to it. Changed the style, changed the look a little bit, changed the greens, and I tried to give it a little bit more of a tropical feel and look to it. Also flattened down the shadows a little bit and brought down the highlights. Now, if you want to use a preset like this and throw it onto another photograph, it would definitely work, but different photographs have different environments and situations and lightings, so you may have to make some adjustments here and there. So one thing you may want to do is adjust the exposure of your image or adjust the highlights or the shadow. There is no one-click solution for photographs. You can't just drag over a preset and it's gonna look amazing. You have to make some small adjustments. So that's my spiel on presets, Lightroom, and my new preset package. This is a little small plug again. Check it out in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoy. There'll be more presets and stuff for you guys in the future, but go ahead and take that gift, man. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.